5 reasons you should roll your foot over a spiky massage ball. A spiky massage ball may look rather strange. In fact, at first glance you might think it's a dog toy, and Fido would probably love to dig his teeth in, but this ball is definitely not something you want your 4-legged best friend to destroy, as it's an incredible tool to relieve those tired, sore feet after a long day, and much more. The Spiky massage ball was first created in Denmark in an attempt to help depressed psychiatric patients find an escape of their mindsets utilizing a promoting massage. It's a relatively basic style, made from an extremely resilient plastic that's covered with spikes that have actually rounded ends. The spiky balls likewise assist to eliminate muscle stress. Here's a closer look at why you should roll your foot, or feet, over a spiky massage ball. It does a whole lot more than serve as your own personal foot massager. 1. Improving blood circulation. With so many of us leading sedentary lifestyles, stuck behind a desk, for example, our feet muscles don't get the exercise they need, not to mention confining shoes, both of which contribute to impaired foot health. Rolling each foot over a spiky ball in a 15 to 25-minute session just before bedtime can be a great way to boost circulation in your lower extremities as well as help you feel calmer so that you can fall asleep faster, and sleep better too. 2. Lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure is far too common today. In fact, about 75 million American adults, or 1 in every 3, have high blood pressure, which can be caused by poor diet and/or stress, but often it results from genetics and environmental factors. Research published in 2014 in BMC Nursing and conducted on long-term healthcare staff who worked with elderly dementia patients, a job that's physically and mentally taxing as well as rather stressful, discovered that a 10-minute foot massage session performed up to 3 times a week resulted in better mood, less anxiety, and lower blood pressure. 3. Preventing foot and ankle injuries. A foot massage is great for relieving joint pain and aiding injury recovery as well as reducing muscle soreness. When massage is combined with foot and ankle strengthening exercise, it can help prevent an injury in the future while also speeding recovery of any existing injury. Just a short session, 3 to 5 times per week, can help minimize the risk of injury by strengthening those important ankle and foot muscles. 4. Decreases the pain of plantar fasciitis and flat feet. Chronic heel pain that often results from deterioration of the connective tissue that supports the arch of the foot, or the plantar fascia, can be significantly lessened through foot exercise and deep foot massage, including using a spiky ball to massage the feet and applying strong pressure to the arch. It can also help people who don't have a normal foot arch due to ligament laxity, which causes the arch to collapse, resulting in what's known as flat feet. 5. Reducing the effects of edema in pregnant women. Edema, or swelling in the feet and ankles due to fluid retention, is quite common in pregnant women, particularly in the 3rd trimester. The effects can be reduced by using a spiky ball to massage the feet at least once a day, combined with rest and proper diet. Exercises to try with your spiky ball. Shoulder massage. The shoulders are also prone to tension, especially when working at a desk all day. To massage them, lean against the wall and place a small spiky ball on the inside of your shoulder joint, near the end of your collarbone. Roll it gently across the pectoral region, moving side to side. Try to focus on specific areas of tightness as you find them, rolling the ball in a few different directions. You can do the same on the back of the shoulders, moving the ball from one shoulder to the other, across the back. Calf massage. To massage your calves, lie down on the floor and place the ball underneath them. Use your body to gently move the ball around. You can move it in any direction that's comfortable and provides relief. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Do not